Get ready to witness the raw power of modern engineering like never before. From jaw-dropping demolitions to massive machines at work, this is heavy machinery at its most intense. Whether it's lifting, digging, or destroying, these mechanical giants showcase strength, precision, and technology at a scale that will leave you speechless. The mighty FMA Cushborg crane crashes to the ground with a roar, ending a powerful moment of destruction. Watch as the Cat 517 is carefully lowered into a canyon by a yarder. The cables stretch, the engine growls, every move full of tension and strength. A massive silo is torn down by a demolition excavator, precisely calculated to protect nearby structures. But the real surprise, the excavator was placed right at the top. In another scene, a Hyundai excavator lifts boulders from a dump truck. Showing both power and delicate control as dust swirls around. A tense moment unfolds as the Cat D8 AK dozer sits stuck, its blade forgotten. Without a ramp, unloading becomes a challenge, but the scene ends with success. On the shoreline, the dragline E1011 ECJSC clears sediment with its giant boom, shaping the land with each graceful move. At the port, an excavator pulls a steel pipe across a massive bridge with slow, forceful precision, engineering at its finest. The Bucyrus RH1120E excavator, weighing over 640,000 pounds, raises and lowers its giant 21.6 cubic yard bucket. It's a display of enormous strength in perfect rhythm. Elsewhere, the Trax Demag AC 500-2 crane is lowered onto the Conquest MB-1 barge. It's preparing for a heavy lift at the Costa Concordia ship demolition. Pure mechanical excellence. Next, the TBMS 574 Martina tunnel boring machine makes its way through city roads. Showcasing how powerful machines can move through tight urban spaces. The Mercedes-Benz Actros 3348-6 by 4 hauls a Caterpillar 325C excavator from a demolition site, proving modern transport vehicles are just as impressive as what they carry. A dramatic building demolition in Albany sends concrete flying and dust billowing, all according to plan. Don't miss the Liebherr T282C dump truck. A beast of a machine moving with unmatched force, creating awe with every trip. A jaw-dropping scene. The Cat 345 CL excavator rescues 2 stuck dozers from a canal at the same time. The mud, the weight, the power, it's unbelievable. Watch 2 Cat excavators bring down a massive tree in a single synchronized push. The dust flies, the tree crashes, it's raw power in action. Now, the Cat 328 DLCR is loaded onto a lowboy trailer. Each step is slow and careful, showcasing man-machine coordination at its best. The Cat D9 our dozer rumbles off the trailer, its heavy metal tracks grinding against the ramp in a dramatic and powerful scene. Finally, Witness one of the largest excavator cranes in the world, weighing nearly 600,000 pounds with a 42-meter boom. It shapes coastal landscapes, placing rocks along embankments and breakwaters. Truly a mechanical marvel.